and more. The Edwardian era brings social change, women's suffrage, and industrial growth. World War I breaks out in 1914, and the UK plays a major role, suffering heavy losses. The Roaring Twenties bring cultural and economic boom, but the Great Depression hits in 1929, causing economic downturn and political turmoil. World War II begins in 1939, and the UK plays a crucial role, suffering the Blitz and rationing. Post-war recovery sees the establishment of the NHS and welfare state. Decolonization grants independence to many colonies, and the UK aligns with the US, joining NATO. The UK experiences a cultural and economic boom, with the rise of rock and roll and the emergence of the UK as a major player in European integration. Social revolution brings civil rights, feminism, and counterculture. Economic turmoil includes inflation, strikes, and oil crises. The UK joins the European Economic Community, EEC, and begins to question its role in Europe. The Thatcher era brings conservative politics, privatization, and the Falklands War. The end of the Cold War sees the UK play a role in European integration, and devolution grants Scotland and Wales autonomy. The Blair and Brown era sees Labour government, the Iraq War, and financial crisis. The Brexit referendum in 2016 sees the UK vote to leave the EU, and the Cameron and May era sees conservative government, austerity, and Brexit negotiations. The UK leaves the EU in 2020 and navigates Brexit transition and negotiations. The COVID-19 pandemic hits in 2020, and the UK responds to the global health crisis. Climate change efforts see the UK aim for net zero emissions. The UK becomes a hub for green technology and sustainable innovation, driving economic growth and job creation. Space exploration accelerates, with the UK playing a key role in establishing a human settlement on Mars. Advances in medicine lead to increased human lifespans, with many people living beyond 150 years. The UK experiences a cultural renaissance, with a resurgence of interest in arts, literature, and music. Virtual and augmented reality technologies become indistinguishable from reality, revolutionizing entertainment and education. Global governance and cooperation become more crucial as nations work together to address existential threats like climate change and pandemics. The UK undergoes significant political reforms with the introduction of a new constitution and electoral system. Biotechnology advancements lead to breakthroughs in disease treatment and regenerative medicine. The UK plays a leading role in establishing a global basic income guarantee, ensuring economic security for all citizens. Climate change mitigation efforts reach new heights, with the UK achieving net negative emissions. Artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence in many domains, leading to increased automation and job displacement. The UK experiences a period of significant social and cultural change as people adapt to a post-scarcity economy. The UK becomes a utopian society with abundant resources, advanced technology, and high standard of living. Humanity becomes a multi-planetary species with thriving colonies on the Moon, Mars,